responsável pela organização do segundo Seminário Internacional Arte e Natureza. Dessa vez a gente está realizando um seminário bastante grande, temos novos convidados internacionais da Alemanha, da Argentina, dos Estados Unidos, da Colômbia, da Inglaterra, e todos para discutir um pouco a relação da natureza no mundo contemporâneo a partir de diferentes perspectivas.
I'm an art historian and I teach at the University of Applied Arts in Hanover theory. I'm a professor for creativity. Today I gave the opening lecture to the conference and it was about German Romanticism or art of Romantic period connected to contemporary art, especially the connection between art, nature and technology, and how far technology connects to nature, if it's in opposition to nature, or like the Romantics thought that technology is an expression of nature, that nature and technology are intertwined, that they are entangled in some way. Dealing with nature as an artist or dealing with nature as a scientist, it's not different categories. We are all searching and looking and trying to find meaning or sense. At least, or in the end, we all are humans and try to find out how we can live our life, how we should live, how we can avoid destroying things or doing harm to anybody else. And one thing I wanted to point out in my talk, in my lecture, was to make sure that we can see also the dangers or the problems that different concepts of nature that we have carry.
A programação do seminário ela inclui, além das palestras, uma mostra de vídeo internacional, da qual eu faço a curadoria juntamente com a professora alemã Jéssica Ulrich, e também duas exposições chamadas Naturantes, que ocorrem no Paço das Artes e na Biblioteca Brasiliana, e um concerto também que será oferecido pela professora Amil Carzani, Heloísa Zani e Branca de Oliveira.